Here's a quick look at dynamic global templates that will be coming to the Beaver Builder 2.10 dev release. These work similar to regular global templates, except they allow you to edit different parts of them on a per page or per instance basis. And I'll go ahead now and show you how that works. And to do so, I'll use something else that's new to 2.10, which is our pre-built modules. These are module templates, which you can find in this drop-down, and you'll see we have a handful of categories available. I'll choose a content template, and I'll go ahead and save that. If you've worked with global templates before, this should be familiar. Choose global, but now in 2.10, you'll see you'll have the option to enable dynamic editing. And I'll do that for this template and save it. The first time I go to edit this, you'll see I have a message that says that I have no settings defined. So I'll need to do that for this template before I can really start using it. So I'll click that. It'll open a new editor allowing me to edit the global instance. And when I click on the different modules, you'll see we have this icon in here now. And this is what allows you to define the settings. So I'll just click that and allow you to edit the photo. And I'll click the heading, allow you to edit the heading, the text, and the button text. And I think the button link makes sense. And then we'll go ahead and publish. And now I'm back in my main layout. And when I click on this, I'll see the settings that I defined for this global template. And I can start to edit those. Give this a new heading and some new text. And maybe we'll change the photo. And there you have it. Now I can use this template again. Just to save some time, I'll do it on the same page, but you could use this on a different page. And you'll see it has the default content. And again, I can change that just for this one here and save it. And now they both have the same design, but the content is different. Another thing you can do is go back in and edit the global instance again. And instead of defining settings, you can actually change the design, which I'll do. Let's say I want to give this box a background color. And then I'll publish that. And you'll see each of these has been updated with the new background color, while the content remains unique in between the two of them. And that's about it. That's the basics of dynamic global templates. This will be coming to the Beaver Builder 2.10 dev release. It is a dev release, so we are aware of a handful of bugs and improvements we'd like to make, but we'd love for you to test it out and let us know if you have any feedback. Thanks.